Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to use of put on. In previous videos we will learn how to use of subject with verbs. The subject with verbs, the structure is going on the previous topic. Subject plus verbs plus other words. Other words. ठीक है? Means that the subject comes before the verbs and the other words like object is comes after the verbs. The example of the subject is name of any human beings or animals, place or things. Example: Ram is a subject and verb is go. Other word means object. Example of the object is school. Object which cannot move of his place or uh, the not alive is called objects. Let's begin with our the topic, the use of put on. In For using the put on, we have to learn the structure, how we will use the put on. The structure to use put on. Actually, the put on is a verb, but we here use this verb as like a phrase. And previous so many videos, we will learn how to use of any phrases. So many phrases I taught, but in this video we learn we how to use put on. The Hindi meaning of put on is पहनना या फिर निकालना. ठीक है. Let's begin with structure. Subject plus put on plus other words. Example. Let's begin with example. मैं अपनी शर्ट पहनता हूँ. मैं अपनी शर्ट पहनता हूँ. Actually, the use of phrase is nothing but the all of depend on these sentences which begin with tenses. First, we have to write subject, and this sentence the subject is begin with I, and next put on. After the subject we use put on, and after put on we use other words, and here other word is my dress. My dress or shirt. Actually many times use. Our next sentence is begin with उसने अपनी ड्रेस पहनी. We start always with subject. In this sentence we use both he, other, she. After using the subject we use the phrase which is put on. After the put on we use other words. In this sentence the other word is his dress. His means अपना, dress for dress. And the next sentence is उन्होंने अपने जूते पहने. The Hindi sentence is उन्होंने अपनी जूते पहने. The English sentence begin with the subject they. They means वे और वे लोग. उन्होंने. After the subject we use put on. Without any fear we use after the subject put on. After the put on we use other words. In this sentence the other word is their, shoes. There is for अपनी और अपने, shoes for जूता और जूते. I give you 3 more sentences for more practice. If there any problem while making these translations into English, then comment below. I will try to resolve your doubts in the next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon.